Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Pressable easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for Pressable, start by visiting the Pressable website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Get Started button. Click on this button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a new page where you can select a plan. Choose the plan that best suits your needs. After selecting a plan, click on the Start Free Trial button. Next, you will be prompted to fill out a registration form. Provide your email address in the designated field. Create a secure password that meets the listed requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the next field. Once all fields are filled, review the terms and conditions. Check the box to agree to the terms of service. After that, click on the Create Account button. You will receive an email confirmation from Pressable. Open the email and click on the confirmation link. This will verify your email address and activate your account. Now, return to the Pressable website. Log in using your newly created email and password. Follow any additional prompts to complete your registration. Congratulations! You are now registered with Pressable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.